Good morning, children. So today we are going to discuss in our second class mathematics. So what we are going to start, so I'll start the topic in continuation of the previous topic. We are ready to start it. Then see here, ordering numbers. What it will be there? Ordering numbers. Order means this is either ascending order will be there or descending order will be there. I will show this one. See, this is a ascending order. Okay, na children? So this is a descending order. So what is meant by ascending order and descending order means? See, I'll say one example to you all. So what does it means? For example, you want to go for the first floor or second floor. Yes or no? Then say to me, see here in a photograph what it will be. In your book also they given steps, they given. Yes or no? So from the first step, second step, third step, fourth step. So starting onwards, step by step, we are ready to go for the first floor or second floor. Your wish, which floor you want to go. Okay, now. So if we are ready to start moving from the lowest to highest, means there is a lower values to higher values, means ascending order. Okay, small to big. I will show this one. This side I will write it. Okay, now. So what is mean by small to big? I will write it here. For example, see, 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 5 is there, 6. So now small to big. What is that? Small to big. So this is called as a ascending order. Ascending order. Okay, na? Small to big is called as a ascending order. Big to small, what it is in? It is a reverse. It is a descending order. First of all, I am going to start. It is a ascending order. See, 1 after 2 will come, 2 after 3 will come, 3 after 4 will come, 4 after 5 will come, 5 after 6 will come. Means lowest to greatest or not, lower to great or not. So small values to big values means we said that is a ascending order. Okay, na children? So now what is mean by descending order? For example, descending means I will say that. Same I will write again. 1, 2, 3, 4 only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For example. Now this is not a small to big, a big to small. What is that? Big to small. I will show again. See how to write means reverse order I am writing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now see, the first one is a bigger number, na? Bigger number after smaller number. Smaller number after more smaller. More smaller. Okay, na? So these are continuation of the bigger to smaller. So big to small. Big to small is called as a descending. Okay, sorry. Descending. Wait. Descending order. Okay, what is that? Big to small. Big to small. So here this is ascending order and descending orders are there. So these are the ascending orders and descending order. How it will be, I will show you. See here, they given as a steps. See here, I will hand over. Arrange the numbers from the smallest to greatest. This is a very important. Smallest to greatest means small to big is called as a ascending order. Okay, na? Or increasing order. One more name is there for that. That is a increasing order. Okay, na children? And next one, if you go for the arranging numbers from the greatest to smallest. It's a big to small. Okay, na? Arranging the numbers from the greatest to the smallest is called as a descending order or so decreasing order. Here the letters are not up here. descending order or decreasing order. I'll write here. Decreasing order. Okay, now. So decreasing order. How to write and everything I'm going to show. Okay, now children. See, now ascending order. First of all, we can see that which is the smallest number, which is the biggest number. We can identify. You know how to identify which is a small one, which is a bigger one. Definitely, we can easy to identify because in a first class and below classes, we already learned about the what is it? You learn about the first what it will be. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 100, 200, 300 numbers you learn. Na? So first one, which one will come, and next what it will come, everything you know. So first we write the smallest number. So see here, they given as example. I will show this the smallest number. I will write it, and then write the smaller of the remaining two. So here, so write the smaller of the remaining two means, for example, here, so 392 is there and 461 is there. Less than symbol they given. Less than means this is a 392 is a smaller than the 416. Okay, na? And finally write the greatest number. So 392 is less than 416 and less than, so 746 I think so. This is not appeared, but it is a bigger number only. Okay, na? Right? If you consider it is a 746 for example. Okay, na? So now understood, na? The first one is a smaller, next small bigger, and small little bit bigger. Okay, na? So these are all are different type of. First you can start from the, I said already. So 392 1 minute. 392, 416 and 746. This order you can write. This is small to big, na? Then you can keep less than symbols. That's it. Very simple. Okay, na? Now comes to the descending order. Now let us, what I said, the big to small, na? First you can write the greatest number. Which is the greatest number in this? What they give an example? 515 is a 515 is a biggest number than the 244. Yes or no? And this is, for example, you can call, so 136, some other number missed. In your textbook it will be there. So here finally we write the smallest number as a 500. See, I will show this one here. So 515, 244, 136. Big to small, na? Then keep like this, greater than symbol. Greater than symbol you can keep. That's it. Very 515 is greater than 244 and greater than 136. So big to small. Big to small. So these are the ascending and descending number. Okay, now children. Now we'll do that problems also, which is ascending and which is a descending order. Now we'll write it. One by one we'll write it. Okay, na? Right. So write the given numbers in ascending order. See here, ascending orders we want to write it means simple. You can see that 499 and 389, 564, 986. Okay, in these four numbers, which is ascending means small to big, na? See, keep in your mind, small to big. Okay, S to B. S to B. Small to big. Keep in your mind. Okay, na, children? So now, small to big. So I'm going to explain to you 499, 389, which is in this 4, which is the lowest number. See, first you can consider first digit 4, 3, 5, 9, which is a small. 3 is a small than the all numbers. Correct or not? You can check it first. Yes. 3 is a 389 is a smaller number. Okay, na? 389 first you can write. Okay. Then after that 3 after. In these 3, which is the smallest one? 954. 4 is the smallest one. Correct? That is a 499. Close. In these two, which is the smallest number? 564. Okay, na? And in the last number, you can write it as it is. 986. Clear, children? All of you understood, na? Very easy to say. Very simple, right? Now comes to the next question. So 444, 204, 440 means 440, 424. So in these four numbers, first number 4 is a common for three numbers. Yes or no? You can see. So 4, 2, 4, 4. Which is the smallest number? This is the smallest number. Okay, na? So 204 first you can write. Okay, now comes to the all numbers are starting with a 4 number only, na? Then you can consider second number. Second number means 4, 4, 2. Now you say which one is the smallest? So this is the smallest because 2 is smaller than the 4. Yes or no? That's why we can write 424. Okay, children. And in these two, which is the smaller number? See, again second digit also is equal, but third digit you can count 4 and 2 0. And which is the smallest? This is the 440 is the smallest. 440. Okay, na? Comes to the last number as it is, you can write it. Okay, children, understood all of you? Very simple and very easy. Okay, write it. Okay. Now comes to the third question. So 2 questions completed, na? Third question I am going to write. So 698 and 679 and 689 and 697. Okay, first you can count, check the first digit. First one 6666. All first digits are equal. Okay, now so that's why you can write this is second digit, you can check it. So 9 7 8 9. Which is the smallest? 7 is the smallest. 9 8 7. Yes or no? 7 is the smallest, means 679 is the smallest number. 679. Okay, children? Comes to the remaining numbers. 9 9. Okay, equal. But here the 8 is there. That's why 689. 689. Okay, now? And next one is the last digit you can count because second digits are equal. You can remaining numbers, last digits you can count. Which is the smallest one? 7 or 8? 7. Right? 697 is the next one. 697. And last one 698 already. So bigger one. That's it. Very simple. Very easy. First you can count every time you can count. First digits are in that first digits which is the smallest one you can count. You can take. Okay, now? Next one. Next question. So 555 and 222, 444, 999. All triple numbers they given. See here. So first digits you can check first. Which is the biggest one or smallest one? 5, 2, 4, 9. In these 4 numbers, which is the smallest number? 222 is the smallest number. Okay, na? So 222. And next number 549. In this, so 4 is the smallest one. Very easy to identify. So 444. And like next one, the 5 is the 555 is the smallest one. 555. Last one, what it will be? 999. Okay, na children? And next question, 600, 200, 700, 500. Simple. First digit you can count 1, 6, 2, 7, 5. Which is the smallest one? 200 is the smallest one. 200. And next one, see, 6, 7, 5 now. 500 is the smallest one. So 500 is the smallest one. And next one, 600 is the smallest one. Last one is the 700 is the smallest one. Not smallest one, greatest one only, that is. Okay, now small to big. Completed, all of you understood now? Very easy to say. Very simple, very easy. Okay, now children? Understood all of you? Very, very simple. Right? So, in this, next we'll check it. So, descending order. Now, big to small. SB, it means small to big, na? Now, big to small. Okay, right children, shall we start? See, I'll write it. See here, you can check that it's a big to small. Which is a bigger one, you write first. So 471. So 471 and 239, 567. So 876, big to smaller, might I say, big to bigger number to smaller number, B to S, not SP, BS. Okay, now? Right. First digits you can count 4, 2, 5, 8. Which is the greatest number? First you take 4, 2, 5, 8. 8 is a great. 876. Correct? That number you can write it. Okay. Then after which, in this 3, which is a greater number? 5 is a greater number. That means 567. Then in this 2, which is a greater number? This 2. Right? 471. The last number is 239. The last number is 239. Clear now? All of you understood now? Very simple, very easy. Okay now? So next one, next question. So 297. 297 means, 297, 456 and 671 and 742. In this all numbers, first you can start with the counting with the first digits. So 2, 4, 6, 7. Okay, which is a greater one, bigger number? It's a 742. Correct or not? So 742. I am writing. The next number. So 2, 4, 6 only, na? 671. 671. And see, 2, 4, which is a bigger number? 456. Okay, next. Last number is 297 as usual. Clear na children? Understood all of you? Very simple, very easy. Okay. C question. You can see that C question. So 555, 551, 505, 515. Okay, na children? See here. In these 4 digits, first count. Check the first digits. 5, 5, 5, 5. All are 5s. Comes to second digit. 5, 5, 0, 1. Right? You don't count these 2 numbers because second digit is 0, 1. That's why afterwards we can calculate. Third digit you can count here. Both are equal now. Second digit is also. Third digit you can count. 5, 1. Which is a greater number now you say? So bigger number is 555. Okay na? 555 or not? Yes, 555 is a bigger number. So I written 555. And now comes to the, which is the next one? Definitely this is a bigger number because second digit is a 0, 1 is there in that. So here 5 is there, second. So 551. In these 2, which is a bigger number, in second digit is a 0, 1 is there. 1 is there means bigger. Yes or no? 515 is a bigger one. The last is a 505. Okay na children? This is 5, don't think other number, 5. Okay na children? Okay, now next question, D question. 901, 401, 701, 801. Count first digits 9, 4, 7, 8. Which is a bigger? 9. 901. Second, firstly I am going to do 801. So 701. And next one 401. Okay na children? Fastly I am doing. Check it. You also do it with us. So next question, 812, 811, 821, 815. So first digits all are equal. Yes or no? Comes to the second digit 1, 1. So 2, 1. Now we say which is a bigger one? This is a bigger one. 821. Okay na? Then after third digit you can count 2, 1, 5. 5 means bigger one. 5, 8, 1, 5. Completed this one also. Okay, in this two. So 2 number is a bigger one in this two. 8, 1, 2. 8, 1, 1. So now this is a big to small complicated. Understood all of you children? Very simple and very easy. Okay. Now comes to the, let's we talk about the, so 3-digit numbers, how to make it. Let us make 3-digit numbers using the digits 2, 5 and 7 they given. See, greatest and smallest number. Okay. Greatest and smallest means how to do means, first you can see, you know that places, ones place, tens place, 100 place, you know. You can take. So which is a bigger? 2, 5, 7. In this 2, 5, 7, which is a bigger you can keep as a 100 place. 3-digit number only, I am going to say. Okay. So 7, 5, 2 is a bigger, then after a little bit small and smallest. It's a big to small. Yes or no? So descending order, big to small you can keep. So next after, see, I will check out. See, first 752 is there now. See, in this example you can check 752. Next after what it will be? 725. So 2 comes to the tens place and 5 comes to the ones place. And next position, so here these two So 5 comes to the 100 position and 7 comes to the tens position. As is one position is 2 on the same. Okay now. And the next, then 5, 2, 7, 2, 7, 5 is a like a greatest number can be formed by writing the digits in the descending order. You know, the bigger to smaller, bigger to smaller. The smallest number can be formed by writing to the, okay, so ascending order, right? Smallest 257, 257, 275 or 257. So these are the things right to present it. Just I will show. See, here I will show you clearly. See that? I am going to show clearly. 752 is there now. 752. I'll write here beside. See, 100 position, tens positions, ones position. Okay. 752 is a 275 or anything, right? Listen carefully. 752. In second place, 7 as it is. 2, 5 will come. Okay na? In third step, these two it will change. Okay na? So, you can take as a 5. So, you can take this first number. 5, 7, 2. Okay na? Then again you change. 5, 2, 7. Okay na? Then again in these two. I drop it. So 275, 257. That's it, like this. Understood now? See, I will show. 752 first. Again 7 as it is. 2, 5 is changing. 5, 2 and 2, 5. It will change. Right? Interchange. And next one. So again in this first number only you can consider every time. Okay. Again 5 will come to the 7 position. 7 will comes to the 5 position. That's it. Okay na children, understood now? Then next after you can take as a 2 will come to the, sorry, 5 will comes to the 100 position and 2 will comes to the 10th position. And 257. This is the smallest. Okay na? 3-digit number using the digits 0 to 7. They give an example. You see here 0 to 7. They give an example. You can consider this as greatest and smallest. You can write it. How to write? First you see 7 to 0. Okay, bigger to smaller. Right. 702. These two is changing. And third means 270. Okay na? 270. And next one 207. In these two. I write it here. Beside I will write it. You see, check it. Don't confuse in this. Because it is 720 na? Yes. 100 position, 10th position, 1st position. Okay na? 720. First you can think. In the second step, what we are going to change? These two only it will changing. 702. Understood? Yes. So in third step, you can take this one. Na? These will comes. These two will change. 270. Okay na? Then next step, it will change these two. 207. This is a formation. Very simple and very easy formation. Understood all of you? Very simple. See. Okay na? So greatest 3-digit number and smallest 3-digit numbers. Understood all of you? How to do that? In next class we'll do the problems. Then we can easy to identify how to write it. Okay na children? All of you? So next we'll discuss. Okay na? Right.